Hey guys! In today's video, we're checking out an AI tool that's blowing up right now. It just crossed $9 million in annual recurring revenue. And the wild thing is, they pulled this off without raising a single dollar from outside investors. What makes it so special? Well, it basically combines the powers of ChatGPT, Notion, and digital whiteboards, all into one platform. So if you're a founder, an entrepreneur, or just someone who wants to stay more productive and organized, this tool is definitely worth checking out. Let's hop onto my laptop screen and I'll walk you through exactly how it works with some real-world examples.
All right, we're on the laptop screen now. The tool I'm talking about is called QS AI. To try it out, just head over to Google, type QS AI, and click on the very first result. This tool has been exploding in popularity. Like I mentioned earlier, the company just hit $9 million in annual recurring revenue, and they've done it without a dime of venture capital. That's huge. What makes it even crazier is that their head of marketing is only 21 years old. No wonder people are paying attention. Once you log in, this is the dashboard you'll see. To start a project, you can choose between QS 1.0 and QS 1.5. We'll go with 1.5 because it's the latest version and has the most features. From here, you can upload files, ask the AI questions about those files, and even generate completely new content. For example, you could drop in a PDF report and instantly have the AI analyze it for you. No more switching between a bunch of different apps. And it doesn't stop there. You can also build full dashboards, create web pages, and share them directly with your team or clients. Basically, instead of bouncing between ChatGPT for AI, Notion for project planning, and digital whiteboards for brainstorming, QSAI gives you all of that in one place. Honestly, that's a really smart move. It saves a ton of time and keeps everything organized. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a bunch of different options. Things like uploading files, checking your library, adding notes, and even a built-in YouTube integration, which I think is one of the coolest parts. There's also a ChatGPT-styled chat box where you can have back-and-forth conversations with the AI. And it doesn't stop there. You get tools for generating images, creating web pages, formatting documents, even building exam papers. It's basically like an all-in-one productivity suite. Let's test out the YouTube feature to see how it works. All you do is paste in a YouTube video link. For example, I'll grab a random tech review, let's say the iPhone 17 Pro review, and drop it into QSAI. Instantly, the video gets embedded right inside the platform. Now here's the really cool part. You can ask the AI to summarize the entire video for you. And just like that, it generates a clean, detailed summary. No need to rewatch the video or skip around trying to find the key points. It gets even better. You can save that summary as notes directly on your dashboard, kind of like digital sticky notes. That way, your whole team can see it later without digging through long chat logs or rewatching the video. For content creators, marketers, or even teachers, this is a game changer. It's basically like having a research assistant who watches videos for you and hands you the main takeaways. Now let's push it further and see what else we can do with that video summary. So from that same video summary, I can actually tell the AI, turn this into animated flashcards. And check this out. It instantly starts building visual flashcards, complete with animations. Now, not every single card comes out perfect on the first try, but the fact that you can take a long YouTube video and convert it into bite-sized, shareable flashcards in seconds, that's pretty impressive. But it doesn't stop there. You can also have QSAI generate entire web pages or analytics dashboards based on the information. This is especially useful if you're analyzing multiple videos or pulling insights from different types of content. Basically, instead of just watching videos and taking notes, you're turning that information into structured data you can actually use. And for teams, this is huge. It means less time wasted bouncing between apps and more time focusing on actual work. Honestly, this feels like a sneak peek into the future of collaboration tools. Everything is connected, everything is shareable, and it's all happening inside one platform. Now let's take it up a notch and test how QSAI works with Google Sheets and file uploads.
All right, now let's see how QS AI handles Google Sheets and file uploads. Say you've got a spreadsheet full of business data, sales numbers, projections, or even raw research. Normally, you'd have to dig through all of that manually, but here, you can just upload it straight into QS AI. Once it's uploaded, you can ask the AI to analyze it for you. For example, you could type in, "Summarize this business plan and give me the key points." Within seconds, it'll break down all the important details, things like market size, competitors, pricing strategy, without you having to read the entire thing line by line. And the cool part is, it doesn't just summarize. You can also tell it to generate dashboards, charts, or even a cleaned up version of the data that's easier to understand. This is super useful if you're running a startup, managing projects, or even doing class assignments. Instead of spending hours formatting reports or analyzing numbers, you've got an AI assistant doing the heavy lifting. And just like before, you can save all of this inside the dashboard and share it with teammates instantly. No more sending 10 different files back and forth over email. Now let's test it with something else, like a PDF upload, to see how it handles documents beyond spreadsheets. Next up, let's see how QS AI works with PDFs. I'll go ahead and upload a sample PDF. This could be a research paper, a financial report, or even a company profile. Once it's uploaded, the AI immediately scans the document and you can start asking it questions. For example, I could ask, "Give me the key highlights of this report," or "Summarize this PDF in 5 bullet points." In just a few seconds, it pulls out all the most important details and lays them out clearly. This is super helpful for students, researchers, consultants, or really anyone who has to deal with a lot of documents. Instead of spending hours reading and condensing, you let the AI do the heavy lifting and just focus on decision-making. Think of it like this. Instead of using ChatGPT for writing, Canva for visuals, Google Docs for collaboration, and Trello for tasks, you're getting all of those functions in one place. That's what makes QS AI stand out. It's not just another chatbot. It's more like a full productivity ecosystem. Honestly, I think we're just scratching the surface of what platforms like QS AI can do. If they keep innovating at this pace, they could easily become one of the big names in the productivity and AI space. So that's it for today's video. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the best AI tools out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.